Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python English tutorial. We will see the latest information about COVID-19 in the satellite view. So we can see over here that this is the India map, and these are the image showing the particular state details. We can see over here this is Maharashtra. We are getting active confirmed cases, death cases, and recovered cases. Okay, and now we'll go to other shit. So in this larger the image having the more active cases. Okay, we can see here Maharashtra having more active cases, Gujarat having more active cases. So like this image will show that larger the image having the more active cases. Now I have made a dashboard also. Once you will click any of this, you will get the details as well as the label details also. So how this beautiful dashboard we can make in the Tableau software. So let's get started guys. I will delete this all stuff so that I can start from the starting point, that you can for the better understanding. Now first of all, we'll see the how this data looks like. We have the states, we have the confirmed cases, active cases, recovered cases, and death cases. Now we'll go over a sheet, and the state, we will drag the state over here. We will get all these details. Okay, we can see here that is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, okay, Rajasthan. Now we will remove, means we will change the shape of this one. Simply we have to click here shapes, then inside these shapes more shapes, and default I have already import one this image of corona. I have already made a video how to insert or how to pick the image from the source. Now this looks okay, but we can increase the size. If the we can put active or any things from this one confirm cases, death cases. I have put the active in size, and I will click on size. I will increase the image. I will increase the size so that the image size will also increase. You can see over here I have larger the image having the more active cases. Now I will remove the stuffs. Okay, then I will go to map. I will click here, then background maps, then I will go to satellite. We have much more option. You can go through this one guys. Dark means we are getting the dark background color, and satellite you will get like this. You can see over here you will get all if you have the details of all let's say all world, so you can go through this one. It's better, it's good for you for practice. So I have the details only the India, that's why I have choose this India. Now I will make the other sheet same. I have dragged this state, then here I will change this shape into the same what we have seen in the first sheet. Okay, now simply we can increase the shape. Okay, now this also will change the map background into the satellite. Okay, now to get all the information, once you will go through this one, in that case simply put all these measures elements inside these details: active, confirmed, death, recovered. Once you will go through this one, you can see active cases, confirmed cases, death cases, recovered cases we are getting here. Okay, we can go to the Maharashtra. See these are the latest details you can see here. Okay guys, now we'll go to we'll make the next one. Here we'll put the state in the rows, then we'll pass the active cases inside this one, this ABC. Okay, I will remove the state. I will right click over here, hide field labels, then simply I will do the formatting guys. I will right click over here, format, then I will go to this A, format font A, then I will increase the size. I will put 12, then I will put in the bold letter, and italic as well. Then I will change the color also. From we can change the color as well. Right click, edit title. We can put this. What is this? That is active cases. Active cases. We can increase the size here. That is, I will put it 16. Bold, italic. Okay. Now we will make the next one same. We'll put the state over here. We'll put the confirm cases inside this one. Then we'll do the formatting same what we have did in the last slide, last sheet. So here right click, format, then A. You can change this italic and this as well. I will remove this text. I will change the. I will edit this one. I'll put here that is confirm cases. Okay. Now I will change this font size, this size, and this also. I'll make it bold, italic, and underline. Okay. Sorry. Okay guys, then I will go to next one. Then I will put the death cases as well. Here also I'll do the same formatting. Then right click, format. Then I will go to A. Then I will change to this is 12 italic. Then color as well. I will remove these things. Hide field labels from rows. Then I will edit the title. I will put this is a death cases. Death cases. Then I will make it change to 16 bold. Okay, then I will make one more, that is last one. This is recovered cases. I'm going to do the same formatting. Here right click, format, then I will go to A. Then I will change to that is 12 italic. Then color as well I will change. I will remove these things. I will edit this title. And what is this one? This is recovered cases. Here also I will change to 16, and here formatting. Okay, now guys, we will go to the our dashboard. We'll make the new dashboard, that is new dashboard. Then I will increase this one into bigger one. Then I will put one by one here, then second as well. Then according to how you want, you can do like that guys. Okay, I will remove these sheets. Hide title, then can do accordingly guys. Simply if you click over here, it will not change. For that you need to use as a filter. You can use from here, otherwise you can use as a filter from here as well. Once you will click, you will get the details. We'll go to the presentation mode. You can see guys, this color is changed. We can change this color guys. So hope this will make sense. You can see here, once you will click, you will get this details, this also. Okay, so this color is changed, and this also we have to do the formatting, because not looks like. So recovered cases, in this simply we have to You can do accordingly, guys. We have to do the formatting here. So okay, okay guys, you can see now. You can see we are getting the details. We can change this color also, so that this is active cases. So active, this is the first sheet. So in this format here, okay, this, okay, we'll see here. Okay, now it looks like what we have made. Okay guys, so hope this will make sense how to make this beautiful dashboard in Tableau software. In the next tutorial we will see some more new dashboards with the latest information. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.